Welcome to Suspense Suspension. Coming up in future videos, we're going to be seeing step by step how to assemble the front end and the rear suspension, including the unique 59 Cadillac air ride. So, and we'll be going into why we have it upside down for facilitating the assembly. So on the table here we have our front suspension components for the 59 Cadillac, and what you'll see is there's several unique features to the air ride suspension, and what you'll see in coming episodes is how is this all going to come together. We're going to go through the assembling of the lower A-arms, and everything is using supplied by Caddy or original equipment, and has been restored and powder coated.
Check out these wonderful restored domes.
These are unique to the Cadillac air ride suspension, which sit up top, which really have a really neat look to them, and we're going to show you the function of them and also how they are installed. And here we have the rear suspension pieces all broken down, powder coated, and separated so that we can go over and start analyzing what type of fasteners we'll need for when we get to the part of assembly of the rear end. Something I'd like to point out are these coil springs. This is typically what would be in a non-air ride model Cadillac. So that is just there for reference, where they're being replaced with these units here, similar to the ones on the front. Because it's an original, it's going to be different from some of the air ride setups you've seen, and the way that it is plumbed, the way that it is calibrated to work great and ride like a Cadillac.